Welcome to our channel. Setting up Biometric Unlock on Cash App adds convenient security to your mobile payments. Here's a quick guide to enable this feature. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your Cash App account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. This section contains all security-related options for your Cash App. Step 4. Look for Security Lock or Biometric Login option. The exact name may vary depending on your Cash App version and device. Step 5. Tap on Enable Security Lock or use Biometric Login. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred biometric method. Step 6. Select your biometric authentication method. Options include Face ID for iPhone users or fingerprint recognition for Android and some iPhone models. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your biometric authentication. For fingerprint, you'll need to scan your finger. For Face ID, position your face within the frame. Step 8. Your device will verify your biometric data is registered. If you haven't set up biometrics on your device yet, you'll be directed to your phone's settings. Step 9. Once enabled, Cash App will require biometric authentication every time you open the app or make a transaction, depending on your settings. Step 10. Test the feature by closing and reopening Cash App. You should be prompted to use your fingerprint or Face ID to unlock the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.